So good evening everyone. So welcome to our channel V2V Vision to Victory. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook and Instagram. The current live session, the PDFs which are available in the Telegram guys and current affairs are available in the Instagram. Just follow me in these all social networks. The links are available in the description. And first of all, please confirm guys, is my audio and video clear? Then we'll start our session. Which are available in the Telegram guys and current affairs. So this is the third video related for WIPRO Elite NLTH 2021, and we already completed two different videos for quantitative ability. Whoever missed those videos, just go and watch those videos, guys. So each video consisting of 15 different models, and we already completed. So in this video, I'm going to discuss reasoning part and what are the different questions in reasoning. So I will be discussing here. So without any delay, we'll start our session. Yes, here the question number 1. Just read it carefully. What is the information they given, guys? See the first information. Just go through the information, everyone. See that. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. So here the information chicken and hen. So what is your observation? Based on the observation, just find out the same relationship in the according following options. Just look it as the same options. Now, if you see this question, see, if you given relation, analogy means chicken and a hen. What is the observation, guys? Chicken and a hen. So there is a relation given. What is your observation? See, chicken is a related for male and hen is related for female. See, there is a relation for male and female. So that is the observation, guys. Chicken and hen, there is a relation for male and female candidate. If you see the entire option, horse, mare, rabbit, goose, bull, bow and foal. If you see the entire options, we can represent a male and female relationship exactly horse and mare. So the suitable relation here, chicken, hen and horse and mare. That is the suitable option. So one is the correct answer, guys. Very good, Nana. Supriya. Go through the second one. BKPZ and just find out the same analogy, similar relation. Analogy means similar relation. See, whatever the relation you can apply here, same relation, we can check it out the final option. So just go through that. What is the relation? See, BKPZ. Okay, for understanding purpose, I just converted those alphabetical into the numerical, guys. If you're good at a conversion of any alphabetical, then you can easily solve whatever the questions related for letter analogy or coding and decoding, whatever that. We can easily handle those questions. But we need to understand the position of alphabetical. Now see, here B, alphabetical B to K, it's 11, P 16, G is a 7. Those are the numericals, guys. Now D become a 4, N become a 14, and R become 18, J become 10, guys. If you see the entire option, see, so this is represented for plus 2, and this is for plus 3. Again, this is plus 2, and this is plus 3. Same relation you can apply there, guys. See, same relation you can apply means C is equal to 3, 3 plus 2, 5, fifth letter is represented for E. So we required E is the option. So eliminated A. Next one. Here plus 3. M is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 16th letter is equal to P, guys. So second letter is equal to P. So second letter is P. We have only one option. Directly you can choose your option B. So no need to check it out the remaining two. So based on the option, the suitable relation can indicated the exact B is the correct suitable answer, guys. So answer B is the correct answer. Next. Coding and decoding question. Now see, in a certain code language, Saturn can be written as Saturn. See, Saturn can be written as JVQXWW. Just see, guys, for any coding and decoding, whatever that I clearly mentioned that converted alphabetical into the numerical. That is the most important part. See, S is the 19, guys. A is the 1. T is the 20. U is the 21. R is the 18. N is the 14. Now see the convert same values, J value become exactly 10. Okay, J value become a 10. And V value, V is equal to 22. V is equal to 22. And Q is the 17. And X is the X, Y, Z now. So X, Y, Z means that is equal to 24. X is a 24 and X is the 24. Total we have a 6. Okay. Okay. X and W guys. See W 23 and here 23. That is the overall value. Now see what is the relation for here. Now see 19 to 10 for example, if you take it as exact position to position, 9 to 10 the value become plus 9. 1 to 22 the relation defined as 21 variable. That is not a proper coding language. Now you can focus on first to the last guys. See if you focus on the first to the last, that is represented for plus 4. That is equal to plus 4. If you see the 1 to 23, 1 to 23 I can represent it minus 4 variables guys. Again 20 become a 24 plus 4, 21 become a 17 minus 4, 18 become a 22 plus 4 and 14 become a 10 minus 4. See what is the option here? First to the last indication, the relation here plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. So based on that J U I T E R. Now see here J value become a 10 and we already know that first we need to add 4 variables. 14th variable we represented N. Now see the entire options eliminated B, eliminated D guys. Now next one is the minus 4. We already know that U is equal to 21. So 21 we need to subtract it 4 variables guys. 21 minus 4 17th variable. 17th variable is represented for Q. If you see the two options remaining here IN, here QN. According to the answer, the perfect suitable answer is A guys. So first to the last indication. That's why you just convert it into the numerical. Then you guys easily solve these type of questions. So the suitable option A be the correct answer, guys. So here the relation first to the last position plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. That is the pattern, guys. See the next one. In a certain code language, cases is written as NADYP and silver can be coded as LZRIZR. Then how is water can be coded as? Same what I mentioned, guys. See, converted to the numerical part here. C3A1G7E5S. S is the 19. Same way, N is equal to 14 here, A is equal to 1, D is equal to 4, Y is equal to 25, and B is equal to 2. So that is the entire scenario. Then what is the relation? We need to identify the relation. Why? Because same relation is continued to the entire question, no? That's why just you need to identify the relation, guys. Very good, Nano Supriya. See the relation, see. Sir, 3 become a 2, see. 3 become a 2. It's a minus 1, guys. Again, 1 become a 25, it's a minus 2. 7 become a 4, minus 3. 5 become a 1, minus 4. And 19 become a 14, minus 5. So from first to the last, they followed as natural numbers like a difference of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Same thing, we need to find the logic for water. So, water, and if you take it as a first one, last letter minus 5. Either you can start from here, see. So, W. So 23 minus 1, 22. 22 letter is equal to V. Where is the first option B? See if you see the option C. B, C, D. All are eliminated. Why? Because we have a only one option. The last position can represent it as the V. That's why you can directly solve answer. Will be the perfect answer, guys. So don't go with the entire coding value, guys. Just based on the options, you just eliminated the remaining and choose the perfect one. So here, A be the perfect answer, guys. Next one. Now see. Here B is denotes multiplied, C denotes subtracted, A denotes added, D denotes divided by. Then which of the following equation is absolutely true? So completely it's an option verification, guys. So I just took it as a first option. Now 24. Here what is the D represented? See, D denotes by divided by 12. And B denotes by multiple with a 3. And A denotes by added, that is equal to plus 12. Now see that we want the resultant become 18 or not. Now see, According to that, any mathematical expression, always you should follow as Bodmer's rule. Remember, guys, always you should follow as Bodmer's rule. See, here, what is the Bodmer's rule says means B can be indicated brackets, B is the brackets, O is the off, D is the division, M is the multiplication, A is the addition, and S is the subtraction. You must follow those Bodmer's order. Now see, so this is absolutely for 2 times, guys. Then you can multiply the numbers. 2 3 is a 6, 6 plus 12, 18 is the perfect resultance. Means no need to check it out the remaining options. Then you can directly choose your option A be the perfect answer, guys. Yes, good evening. Vaibhav. Supriya, Vaibhav. Very good, Nana. So that is based on your calculation speed. Next, in which of the following select the odd word? What are the different words they given? Definite, specific, doubtful, and distant. Then which one is completely different than remaining? Now see that. So we can simply choose the direct answer is doubtful. Why? Because definite, specific, distance, all these words can indicated the 100% is valid information. But doubtful we can't define as exact one. So there is a chances, but we don't know that. But if you see the remaining words, definite, specific, distance can indicate it exactly assured 100% is valid one, except doubtful. That's why here completely odd one. Odd one means different from others. Different from others. See, different from others here, doubtful is the different from others. So, doubtful is the correct answer, guys. It's very good, Nana Rohini. C is the correct answer. Next one. So, here analogy 534 is to 2. Then, which is the suitable same thinking? So, what is the relation here? See, guys. So, most of the questions related for any number puzzle, analogy. So, we need to find the logic. The worst scenario, we should follow the logic in terms of miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means we need to observe the given digits. 134 is to 2. What are the chances? Then see, I will tell you what are the different approaches for solving these type of questions. Sometimes, for example, see, 534 can be represented sometime like see 5 plus 3 plus 4, sir. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Sometimes they can code it as 12. Or for example, sir, so sometimes 5 into 3 into 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60, sir. Sometimes they code it as 60 also. There is no problem. Or sometimes they can code it as 3 also, like they can analyze it as a 3. How we can analyze it as a 3? Some of the digits can be defined into the unitary value. Unitary value means it is single digit. That is equal to 3 we can define sometime. Or sometimes you can multiply these two digits. So whatever the resultant you can get, that should be multiple. So 1, 2 is a 2. Or sometimes you can check it out here. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 8 by 4. Any two digits are addition and we can performing with the other one. So the resultant become a 2. Now see that here see here 5 plus 3 8 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Again see 1 plus 0 1 1 by 2 is not a 9 eliminated. 5 plus 5 10 10 by 3 is not a 6 eliminated. 8 plus 8 16 16 by 4 the resultant become 4 here eliminated. Here 9 plus 9 18 18 by 9 the resultant become 2 guys. This is the approach guys. So what are the different approaches I will mention that. So based on that based on the analogy relation here D is the suitable answer. That is the part of miscellaneous. That is the relation, guys. See, first digit plus second digit divisible by third digit, then you can get the resultant as a 2. Is it clear, Nana? Eighth question. In which of the following select the agency completely different from the others? BEHK 2, 5, 8, 11. Now see, it's a plus 3, here plus 3, here plus 3. Now same thing. J plus 3, M plus 3, P plus 3. All they followed as plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So check it out next one. So P already know that 16, 16 plus 3. So P plus 3 is equal to S and S is equal to 19, 19 plus 3 is equal to 22, 22 plus 3 is equal to 5. So definitely C is the suitable answer. Then completely different than others is D guys. Why? Because E is equal to 5 guys. H is equal to 8. There is no problem in that. Next value is equal to 11. But here m value become exactly equal to 13. We required here in this m place, if it is a n, the entire options are absolutely true. But here they can given as a 3, they given as m. So because of those m, they are not followed as previous rules. So A, B, C followed as one particular rule except D. That's why the wrong answer here, D be the wrong answer. Let's see the question. How many such pairs of numbers are in the given numbers? What are the numbers? See, 3, 6, 1, 9, 3, 8, 4, 7, 9. Both backward and forward. Sometimes they mention or they are not mentioned, guys. But you just consider both backward and forward always. Same as for as according to the numeric series. So what is the meaning of this question? Generally, for example, if it starts with a 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that, for example, if you write down the number, see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Between 3 to 8, how many numbers are there? 4. So generally, if you see the numeric series, between 3 and 8, the total numbers here are exactly 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total we have a 4 numbers. If you see the given set of number from 3 to 8, there is this equal number. So question they had mentioned that. See, how many such pairs of numbers in the given number same as for according to the numeric series. The number of digits between 3 and 8 is 4. According to the given question, the number of numbers between 3 and 8 is also 4. So that is exactly equal. For example, so don't go with this type of approach. I will tell you the direct approach, guys. See, if you read any number, like you will start with a 3, Nana. If you read it as the same number, like a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if any number is a similar while we reading, then you can consider as directly clear. That is better to you. That is a direct approach. First, see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you read like that, definitely we can represent it as the same number, then you can consider that is the pair. Now you can continue. Still you can continue, guys. 8, 9. Then we'll start with 1, 2. There is no number we can same as a given numbers. Then we'll start with the 6. Here starts with the 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. No chances. Again, 1, 2, 3, guys. Again, you can get one more. 1, 2, 3. Again, read 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a no similar number can obtain. Next one, see, Nana. If you go through the 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no chances. Here we'll go to 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no chances. 8, 9, 1, 2, no chances. 4, no chances. 7, no chances. 9, no chances. Forward, you can get it 2. Then you can go with the reverse. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No chances. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No chances. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. No chances. 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. No chances. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can get 3 and 6 is a one more. Okay? Then you can still continue. 6 and 7. No chances. Next one. 9, 1, 2, 3. 9, 1, 2, 3, guys. See, guys, we can get one more, guys. See, 9, 1, 2, 3. 9, 3 is also one more pair. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is also one more pair. 1, 2, 3 is also one more pair. Guys, forward you can get a 2, reverse we can get a 3. So total we have a 5, guys. So answer more than 3 is the suitable option. It's not a 3. Check it out, Vaibhav and Upendra. We can get more than 3, guys. Just check it out, Mama. More than 3 we can get. While we reading a number, which any number which is a similar, then you can consider those number as a pair, guys. Next one. So this is most important. If you crack this logic, then you can get five marks, guys. So just I will read the information and I will give the time. Just solve it and give me the entire information. Now see, read the following information carefully and answer the following question. And there is a total number of 8 boxes, which is placed one above the other, but not necessary in the same order. So there is 8 boxes. We need to arranging in a we need to arranging And you no need to consider according to the order. You can pick any box. You can arrange any box. There is no problem. Don't go with according to the order. So that is mentioned, but not necessarily in the same order. So first information: four boxes are between C and D, and none of them placed top and bottom. We can't place top and bottom. What are that? So we can't place C and E is not in top, not in bottom. That is the meaning of. And box G is not placed just above and just below HC. For example, below means any box of H, guys. So for example, I will tell you this particular term. For example, this is the H. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, below H can be indicated any position, guys. Below H can indicated any position. Can immediately below can be indicated this particular position. There is a huge difference between the statement. See, below H can be indicated any of those positions, but immediately can be defined as next position. That is the difference between the normal and immediate. See, G is not placed just above and just below the H, and D is not placed just below and just above the E. And number of boxes above H is always more than the number of boxes below H. And this is the one more important. There are as many boxes between A and E and F. What is the meaning? As many boxes between A and E and F means number of boxes between A and E exactly equal to number of boxes between A and F. That is the meaning of as many boxes between A and E and A and F. It means see, the number of boxes between A and E exactly equal to number of boxes between A and F. And there are two boxes between C and E. There are two boxes between C and E. Just go through the question once. See that? So total we have a 8 boxes we need to arrange. 8 boxes. I took it as a numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the stack. We need to arranging the boxes in these 8 places. Okay, see that first information. See. First information, see. 4 boxes. See guys. 4 boxes are placed between box C and E. So 4 boxes between C and D, none of them placed on the top or bottom of the stack. So we can't place in these two positions. We can't place C and D here. If you take it as a negative mark, means we can't place C and D in those two. Now we have a chances. C and E can place us either 2 or 7. That is the only one chance. Now if I assume C be the 7th, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, definitely this is the E. But that is the assumption. We have a chance we can place C in the 7th one. But we have a one more chance. What is the one more chance? We can place C here, guys. We can place C here. So we can place C in the second box. Definitely we can place E in the 7th box. So these are the two possibility. Possibility number one and possibility number. So that is the first equation. Now then move on to the next thing. G is not placed just below and just above H. G we can't place just below, just above H. So understanding how I am writing as a statement. See, above H, immediately above H and below immediately H, we can't place G here. So we don't know that where we can place H and G. So that still we are not confirming. Take it as a note point. That is the one. Next one. D is not placed just below and just above E. Again, above E, above. Above E, below E, we can't place which person? So D we can't place, guys. D we can't place above E and below E. Next one. So that is the second one. The number of boxes between above H is more than the number of that placed below H. What is the meaning of third statement? See, number of boxes of above H is always greater than below H. That is the meaning, guys. Number of boxes placed above H is more than that placed below H. That is the meaning. There are as many boxes between A and E. So take it as a fourth point here. Number of boxes between A and E exactly equal to number of boxes between A and F. If you write as any note point means no need to read again and again. That's why you need to write in proper way. And that's better understanding way. You just write down the entire theoretical information into the like that case. You just frame a beautiful note point. Now see, if you see the fourth point, no need to go with entire theoretical part. If you see the fourth point, I can understand, guys. See, number of boxes between A and D exactly equal to number of boxes between A and F. If you see the third point, above H boxes is always greater than the below H box. If you go with the first one, no need to go with any theoretical part. Just go through that. Okay. Immediately above H and below H, we can't place it. That is, we need to understand by making my note point. So, immediately above E and below E, we can't place D. So that's why we need to write in a proper way any note point. And final one, see, there are two boxes between C and H. There is a two boxes between C and H. We already know the C. We can't place H above C. Why? Because we have only one box now. So below C, guys, two boxes between C and H. Now you can confirm H here. Now, so second possibility, below C there is a no chance. Definitely we can place above C 1, 2. So we can take it as H here. Now, if you see the entire scenario, then you can pick one of the note points. So, we already completed entire reading, no need to reading again and again, just leave the entire information. We already write a 4 different note points. We just pick a one of the note point. Now, see, I just took it as a third point. What is the third point mentioned that? Above H is, we have enough some number of boxes above H is always greater than below H. If you see the scenario of second possibility, above H, 1, 2, 3 is always greater than below H. That is absolutely wrong possibility, guys. Why? Because see, if you see the above H we have only 3, but below H we have a 4. So according to the third point, above H is always greater than below H. Above H is greater than below H. So that's why eliminated the second possibility. Now then you can go with the first possibility. Now see, so definitely above H 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boxes. Below H we have a 3 boxes. So definitely we can satisfy the third note point. So we are already arranging one of the courses. Now you can pick a third point here. Why? Because we don't know that where H, where E. So we know the E and we know the H. Okay. Now you can read that information. See, above H and below H we can't place Z. So we can't place Z here. We can't place Z here. I take it as note point like that, guys. The information write down in the proper way. So I took it as a negative symbol. Means cross mark with a Z means. So fifth position, third position is not related to Z. That is the meaning, guys. Completed. Second one. Above and below E, we can't place D. Again, take it as a wrong mark here. We can't place D. We can't place D. So we have a chances. Now you can read the fourth point here. So what is the fourth point? Says that number of boxes between A and D exactly equal to number of boxes between A and F. Now check it out all the possibilities. For example, if I assume A here, what they mentioned that so there is a no boxes between A and D. Definitely there is a no boxes between A and F. For example, if I place F here, definitely the statement is violated. So this is not a suitable place for A. Just mark it. Now, for example, again if you fix A here, number of boxes between A and E is 0. So A and F is 0 means this is already occupied with H. So we can't place F here. So again, this is not a suitable place for A. Now move on to the next one. If I place A here, so how many boxes between A and E? 1, 2. Number of boxes between A and E is 2. Again, number of boxes between A and F, 1, 2. Yes, we can satisfy the statement of A, guys. So this is the possible place we can place A. So I can confirm that A box in 5th stack, F box in 8th stack, guys. Next one. Now see, now you can go to one more statement. So these two positions are not related to D. So this is not a D, this is not a D means I can confirm this is the position for D. That is the position for D. And this is not a position for Z means I can confirm this is the position for Z. And we left with only one alphabetical that is equal to B. So this is the perfect arrangement for boxes. So is there any doubt in the arrangement, guys? Is there any doubt? Now you can check it out the questions. See, total arrangement I am writing here: F, C, D, A, H, B, E, G. So based on that, just give me the answers for these 5 questions. Let's see the first question. How many boxes are placed between D and E? Number of boxes between D and E. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Yes. Here's the correct answer. Which box is placed just above H? Above H. Just above H. Above H can be defined as ADCF. Just above means only that is the perfect answer. A. Then which of the following is placed at bottom? Bottom is a G box. Then which of the following is not placed below D? Below D. What are the boxes we can't place? Either F or C. If you see the enter options, F they given, then you can choose option F. Export in the question. Then which of the following box is not placed between C and D? Not placed between C and E. So F and G we can't place between C and E. F and G. F is given, G is given, then you can choose your option. E be the correct answer. Priyanka Rohini, very good. Now, just go through that. This is open die concept. We already completed dice concept in the Infosys model, guys. See, there is a 2 important points need to remember in any open die. Every alternative term always be the opposite pair. Every alternative box is always defined as opposite pair. If any two boxes, see every alternative pair is opposite pair. If any common point, any two boxes having any common point, it is always be the adjacent. It never be a opposite. Third point, if any opposite pair, we cannot see together. Those are the 3 important points we can solve any questions of dice. So remember, every alternative box is opposite pair. If you have any common point, so it never be a opposite, always be the adjacent. If you already decided as opposite pair, we can't see together. If you see together means definitely that is a wrong die, guys. See that. See what are the perfect opposite pair? So alternative means X and Z. X and Z is the perfect opposite pair. First one. Second one, still you need to confirm that what is the opposite pair for Q. See guys, what I mentioned that if you have any common point like see, Q, Y is the common point, X is the common point, Z is the common point, P is the common point. R is not a common point means definitely Q is the perfect opposite pair for R. That I have mentioned in the second point. If you have any common point, it never be a opposite. It is always be the adjacent. It means see Q and X are adjacent, QY adjacent, QZ adjacent, QP adjacent. Then what is the remaining? We left with only one alphabetical. Q and R are alpha opposite pair. Then we left with only one parameter Y and P. Y and P is the opposite pair. Now see, we already decided opposite pairs. Then you can see that A be the right die or wrong die. I can say perfectly this is the wrong die. Then how we can consider that is the wrong die? Why? Because see, you already decided opposite pair for X and Z. Or opposite pair means these are the two. If you see one number, we can't see the other one. If you see both the things are in a adjacent, definitely that is a wrong die. Why? Because X and Z, out of two, we can see only one thing. But in the first box, we can see both are together. That's why eliminated. This is the wrong die. This is the second option. Q, X, Q, R, guys. X, Q, R. Q, R already know that opposite. If it is opposite, we can't see together two elements together. So eliminated B. That is not opposite pair. Next one, Z, YP. If is we already know that YP is the opposite pair. If YP is the opposite pair, we can see together. But opposite pair we can't see together. Eliminated. Then what is the suitable option? C, D is the suitable option. So in this way, see, if any opposite pair, if you decided something is opposite pair, we can't see together. If you see together, definitely that is the wrong way. Based on that particular point, we eliminated the option. Next one, same thing. Any opposite pair, if you decided something is opposite. Same model, see. Here first you need to decide the opposite pair, see. Here the dot point and these two are opposite pair. That is empty box. Second one, cross box is opposite to that these box. And what is the remaining? Complete shade. Complete shade is opposite to the square shade box. So these are the important parameters. Now see the option C. If you see the options, first option. So these two you already decided as opposite pair, like a she, dot and empty box. But they given as adjacent, that's why eliminated. This is the wrong way. Next one. So they given as these one. So they given as shade. We already know that these two are opposite pair. So we already know that these are the opposite pair, but they given as adjacent, just eliminated. This is also wrong way, guys. Next one, third one. Cross and minus is already decided as opposite pair. That is completely wrong way. Then the suitable option. D is the suitable option, guys. Yes, is my voice is clear? Yes, please confirm. Is my voice is clear? Next one. Guys, these model they given already in the Infosys model, but this is very easy question. But you need to understand what is the model of these question, these type of question. How we are solving. Guys, these model they given. Now see, need to understand from the diagram. See, so there is a box. See, so this is the rectangle box. The rectangle is always represented for adults. According to the information, rectangle box is indicated the adults. Adults means, for example, how many number of adults are there? Means 9 is adult, 8 is adult, 4 is adult, 3 is adult, 2 is adult, 1 is adult. If you want the entire adults, we need to add all the parameters. If you see the males, so males can be indicated these box, square box. So 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All these numbers can be represented males. If you see the tall. If you see the tall means definitely here triangle box numbers always represented tall. If you see the circle is represented for cricketers. That is the entire information. See, for example, if we especially denoted with some particular terminology, for example, 9 is represented for only adults. I will tell you the concept, just listen, guys. 9 represented only adults. That parameter we cannot mix with any other parameters. 7 is represented only males. 7 is represented for only males. 6 is represented only tall persons. 1 is represented only cricketers. So that is the meaning. The person is represented with only one particular thing. Now, if you want give a naming for 8, see, 8 is represented adults and cricketers. Sorry, adults and males. Then how I mentioned that, see, B can be represented, 8 can be represented only adults with a males. That is the meaning, guys. Only can be especially. There is no other parameter can be mixed up. See, only adults with a males can be represented for 8. For example, if you want 5. So 5 is mixed up with a tall and 5 is mixed up with the 5 is mixed up with males, talls. So male persons with tall persons. Only male persons with tall persons can be represented 5. For example, how we can represent it 3? See, 3 can be represented with all the parameters, guys. 3 is represented with all the parameters. Means adult males which are tall persons which are also including in cricket. So those parameters can be defined with the individual grouping all together. That is the meaning of entire question, guys. Now see the question. Now see what is the information. Which number represented male cricketers? Male cricketers. We want square box. Along with cricketers, we want these box. So these are the two answers, either 2 or 3 up to here. Either answer is 2 or 3. But who are adults but not tall? So we just eliminated 3 guys. Why I am eliminated 3 guys? Because 3 is including tall. They clearly mention that that person is not at all. So we have up to first 3 statement. The options are either 2 or 3. Now you can directly eliminate 3. Why I am eliminating 3? They are not tall. He required they are not tall. So the person here, 2 members. Very good, Nana. Very good, Nana. That is a 2, Vishal. Now clear, is there any doubt in this these type of question? So this is, they given us 2 questions in the Infosys guys based on this pattern. So is there any doubt in this question? Please confirm. Everyone is clear about this question? Next one. These model of questions are most important in Infosys guys. Give me the answer. What is the answer for this box? See guys, if any question is represented for 3 by 3 matrix, there is a chances sum of rows are equal or sum of columns are equal, either any two boxes resultant equal to third box resultant. So these are the 3 different ways we need to check it out the entire question. Remember, either sum of rows, sum of columns, or any two boxes resultant is exactly equal to 3 third box resultant. Resultant means definitely that is mathematical operations. Mathematical operation means either they can go with any two boxes addition that is equal to the third box, that will go with a multiplication, that will go with a division, that will go with a subtraction, that will go with a miscellaneous, that will go with a powers based concept. Powers means we can represent it either squares or cubes. So this is the approach. We need to understand how we are dealing with this type of question. Notice answer 31, very good. Now simply guys see, so we need to identify that what is the question mark can replace us as perfect number. Now if you see that now see, we want 113 for example, sir. 4 plus 7 is, we already know that that's 11. 11 become a 113. There is no chances. Okay, 7 4 is 28. 28 is, there is no multiple with 113. Now if you see that we have a chances guys, see 7 square is equal to 49. 4 cube is equal to 64. If sum of together, the resultant become 133. 113. Same thing, you just go through. 6 square 36, 5 cube 125, together 161. So same application you can go through the first row also. See here, 3 cube is equal to 27. 2 square is equal to 4. Sum of these numbers exactly equal to 31. So that is the answer. That's why I'm telling how we are dealing with these type of questions. So it improves your logical approaches, guys. So this is completely based on your ideology, mathematical values, or approaches. We need to identify. We need to know about how we are dealing with these type of questions. Next one. Now see that, see, first of all, these type of questions, you need to understand they coded exactly or comparison with. Exactly means, see, we already know the three P's, same alphabetical. The position of alphabeticals can indicate the same symbol. Now see, here at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. It means, see, they can be coded exactly position to the position. You need to understand in that way, guys. You need to understand that they coded exactly position to the position. Now, how they can code it as pamper? P can be coded as at the rate. Then A can be coded as power value. So at the rate power and at the rate power at the rate power. So eliminated B option at the rate power at the rate power. Third one. See M. So here M value can be represented star. Eliminated. Oh, sorry, it's a star is there now. So star is there here, star is there, and star is there. Next one. P are again at the rate we required. So what is the E here? E is the ash and last one is the iPhone symbol. So we have an option, option eliminated, and A is the correct answer. Guys. Very good. Nana. Supriya, Vaibhav, Upendra, Priyanka, Roshini. Very good guys. And this is for you guys. Homework question. What is the question? See 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 dash 1024. Now, what is the number we can replace us here? Just go through that question. Post your answer in the comment section. Just post your answer in the comments, guys. So, is there any doubt in the today's session? So, that's it for today's session. Guys, please share our channel to your friends. And it really help for your campus placements along with the banking examination and SSC examination and railways examination. When whatever the examination, it consisting of quantitative aptitude and reasoning, definitely my video which are helpful to clear those examinations, guys. So just share these information to your friends and just follow me in the Telegram for PDFs. And I'm also updating you whatever the notification getting out, then I will update you each and every information in the Telegram. And you will be there in the discussion section. You have any questions related for, you have any doubts related for quantitative aptitude or reasoning, just post your doubts in the discussion section. Anyone can tell you the approach, or otherwise I am telling you, don't worry about that one, guys. So is there any doubts for today's session, guys? So PDFs, I'm already uploading, you guys uploaded, just go through that in Telegram. So definitely, Upendra, from Monday onwards, we'll start for mock test for banks also. For degree students, guys, from 12th onwards, Infosys Drive is there also. So we already videos in the Infosys. Just go through the playlist. The videos are available and share to your friends also. Yes. See you guys. Good night. See you in the next session.